Hey, in this video we'll talk about Eclipse token address, how you can get the contract address, how you can even buy Eclipse token with the lowest amount of fees possible. It's a very simple tutorial that you can do on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's as simple as it can get. So if you like the video, you can do a few things. You can actually like it for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot, and you can also subscribe if you're new. That really helps out. So what you want to do to actually buy the Eclipse token is you need to do a few things. First, you need Trust Wallet, you need Binance, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can sign up for Binance with the link in the description down below. It's very quick, takes a few seconds, and Binance actually have the lowest amount of fees for buying BNB, and you will need BNB to actually get the Eclipse token. So then you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and just type in Binance and also Trust Wallet and download both. So click on search, type in Trust Wallet and install it real quick. And then you also want to type in Binance and install both of them. There's an extra step if you're on an iPhone, but let's start with the contract address. To find it, you can use BSC scan or CoinMarketCap. Just type in Eclipse in the search bar, and the contract should be somewhere around here next to the Fox. So you can click on it to copy it. Let's go up. Here it is. Click, copy. It will copy it real quick. And then what you want to do is go on the Trust Wallet app, and if you do not have the browser add-on at the bottom left corner because you're using an iPhone just like me, there's a way to fix it. Android devices can skip this step, but you will need it for an iPhone. Let it load. Exchanges are really slow today for some reason. I think it's due to the large volume we're getting moved. Here it is. So opening up Trust Wallet again. And if you don't have the browser add-on right here at the bottom left corner, what you want to do is go on Safari, open up a new tab and just type in trust.//browser --enable, hit enter, click on open. And this will basically serve as an add-on for the Trust Wallet app that will let you have the browser functions, for example, PancakeSwap. So we want to go on PancakeSwap, just go down and you can exchange from BNB to any other currency. Paste here, click here, ECP, and now you can actually convert your BNB coins into ECP or Eclipse. But how do you get Eclipse? But how do you get BNBs? I'm getting calls left and right. And the cheapest ways to do it is to actually use Binance, the Binance app. And they have the lowest amount of fees for BNB. So what you want to do is go on the Binance app, just find BNB, and you can sign up for Binance in the description down below. Click on trade and just buy one BNB. It's going to cost you like 1.8% of taxes because you're using a card, but if you're using their spot balance, I think it's 0.1%. So click on buy, and you can directly purchase BNB from your card. It's very simple, as I promised. If the video helped you out, you can give me a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.